Sonko Friday. Yatina say. Yaden some no eba. The exclusives. The authentic. You're breaking it down edamamu. And some by na eko so. Ewa Ghana. Emun sem to say. Yadin na enso eba. Na ene the deadline of Ghana Football Association transfer. Na transfer na kanenke deadline ebasonon empanifo extended. Madi kind of mamo el mi previous video num. Yade munchie mo ahodo eba. House of Folk story ewa ha. Kashara Wanet. Finally. Was 9 years. Edama House of Folk. Na ITC I already. Bibia so eye kama. Yade won sama ahodo pineba. Glassen AWAKO. Ewon sem ewa ha. Boy na oni House of Folk nsem to say. Glassen AWAKO. Ewon sem wa ha. Francis Adjetey eja dem. Boy no assign 4.5 years contract. Edima House of Folk. She say ensem bi boba. On the contract na sign no. Yede munchemu eba. Samuel Inkum a party way with House of Folk. I want them to say House of Folk oye training. Yede munchemu nyina eba. These are many more stories. Na me di ebe sumo. Na ebi aso no etim aye kama. I Charles Adult TV. Mr. Subscribe. Say for comment bra. In next video we can comment na dia mom. Na ebi aso etim akoso kama. O comment ni hia yai. Pa. Enya easy. And some of the doors said I me kan no. I mean has here enfama mo. Na ebi aso no enkoso kama. Ye has here free. Accra House of Folk. The Continental Club Masters aswe. House of Folk aswe na yeko. Bibia aye kama. Bibia ekoso. And somehow who draw our House of Folk come. Boys do na appeal. Training session. And so ekoso. Kwaku inso. Ewo training grounds. Enye easy ene day. Kashala Wanet. Was in the DNA silence. Kashala Wanet. Ewo training grounds. Kofi Agbesima. Ewo training grounds. Other players. The likes of Richard Atta. Players I would do a Eric Esomo. Rafael Amponsa. Michel Sapon. New signings. Kevin was say ACB. Omunyina ewo training grounds wa. Martin Koopman. Randy Hendrick. Any other staffs. Management omunyina ewo training grounds open be man. Training in ekoso. Na House of Folk mo. Glassen AWAKO story no. Glassen AWAKO contract. Ehun sem to say. Glassen AWAKO. Enye easy. Still, Glassen AWAKO contract termination. Time go with Accra House of Folk. Na contract termination na Glassen AWAKO epese or terminating the contract. And so the Continental Club Masters Accra House of Folk no. Je eban say Glassen AWAKO demanded 6 months salary. Every House of Folk for was so up 6 months salary. Every House of Folk for penny for and sana contract termination abaso 6 months salary and a Glassen AWAKO pay a free Accra House of Folk away. Na deyete any je ban say Glassen AWAKO will terminate his contract with Accra House of Folk. But 6 months salary no. Dear amana ye complicated amana ye din esan se 6 months die ano din 6 months die ya die ano din pa eno as hasofo mpani form dwen ho mienu anya na me ensanso sansa utua 6 months salary ama player bia yana ano din yana enye easy ano din pa eno glassing AWAKO di no ana ye de ho nsem awudopina esom ye natifo yeda so the Continental Club Masters Accra House of Oak na House of Oak aye wono players outdoor mo terminate mo contract ni de enye easy mamemfa player fa ne se Francis Adjetey hons emre gen atifo Francis Adjetey the Continental Club Masters Accra House of Oak ako PFAG fuaso na se opese House of Oak terminating the contract enye easy na per the contract termination no boy no demand compensation na compensation na boy ni afane se Francis Adjetey demand no was signed 4.5 years contract at the Accra of Oak. We demanded 4 years compensation. 4 years compensation. And a boy near friend say Francis Adjetey demanded. And we demanded 48 months salary. 48 months salary. Anna Francis Adjetey demanded every House of Oak was signed 4.5 years contract at the Accra of Oak. But now was who demanded compensation. Now a center back at the Accra of Oak. To see a dear or no demanded compensation. Glass in AWAKO demanded 6. Francis Adjetey demanded 4. And why a House of Oak 6 plus 4 ain't easy. Ain't we shall 4.5 years. And I just say players me anyway. Glassing AWAKO Francis Adjetey demanded 48 plus 6 54 months salary. And a glassing AWAKO and Francis Adjetey respectively demanding a free Accra House of Oak as well. Glassing AWAKO demanded compensation of 6 months salary, and then Francis Adjetey and so demanded 4 years, which is 48 months salary. Our House of Oak as well. Yet that's so House of Oak and easy. Samuel Inkum is ya kan Eddie Magana, your club. I have finished Accra of Oak. Dayete any dear eba I dimunchemu eba ne say Samuel Inkum a party with club I finished Accra of Oak. Bema be bua many nyina than in show we say chahina mua yana isha. Sabre Samuel Inkum Echo or buy or boy or the FA Cup in 2022, Presidential Cup 2023, Amajitini Manibia, Eddie Amaha to Folk. 1.5 year and a 32 years boy, Samuel Inkum, ever boy Eddie Accra to Folk. Till 1.5 season, and I just said boy, and it's me a boy, Eddie Accra to Folk. So, corner pass to Folk. A party way, a mutual understanding. Will be acting on one say, no compensation fee. A mutual. Already crown of Samuel Inkum. A boy young chaps. But the players outdoor a common on it. But in the home room Nigeria side no. I just say no. A Samuel Inkum. One Hearts of Folk awie abasum afenefa okọ eno Samuel Nkom yede ne ho nsem eba Hearts of Folk exclusive yantoaso Kasala Wane Ramos Kasala Wane Ramos enye easy Kasala Wane de eba de ekoso and say officially Kashala Wane ni ITC and so Abba and now Hearts of Folk registered fully with Phobian Kashala Wane a Phobian what grew said we signed 5 years at the Ama Continental Club Masters Accra Hearts of Folk Kashala Wane signed 5 years at the Ama Continental Club Masters Accra Hearts of Folk enye easy cry Kashala Wane 5 games 8 goals and all thing players who could down we no Lionel Andre Messi Cristiano Ronaldo mo level ni bi eno bi ana Kashala Wane ADPM enso e wa Accra Hearts of Folk enye is a striker about 5 matches Ashe 4 matches rather. Over 4 matches. Ashe 8 goals no. Yana entire happy sir. Sanse nano last match in Paso against Ghana Navy Dolphins. Kashala Wane ensiakan. Enti 4 matches. Ana Kashala Wane abo. Against Evergreen. Wabo Luxury Sports. Miracle Land. Being our boy Eddie Etia Omu Kashala Wane ever signed 5 years contract Eddie Ama Accra Hearts of Folk Continental Club Masters ye free Hearts of Folk ye kwa Ghana Football Association aswe ye free Ghana Football Association aswe eba ne say ene day anka ye 1st of September 2023 Friday ananka deadline of Ghana your transfer window no na de ba ne de ewom nyina ene say en panifo etu asheda ye tu asheda na ekwa na wotwe Sunday I know ye 8th of September 2023 Friday eno no muso etimi ediako na nyambua edwada Monday 4th September Ghana Football Association distribute balls the Ama clubs omo ewo Ghana enti clubs no more Ghana the 18 clubs in Ghana Premier League will receive their boots or their balls on Monday 4th September 2023 and idea no so across into bia club bia ebenya ball na ono so etimi abo na bibia so no etimi akoso kama se club enya ball die eyade a eno so eye kama pa esanse ball die onya bia anotimi eboa ama players no omuso etimi edi agro kama a enye easy kra eno eyade no so etimi paso a yede wonsem esumatie fo na bia so no etimi ayekama na Hearts of Folk ewo game po eno baso no Okwa United nyamboa Sunday ana game ni baso wi ano miensa yanko Asante Kotoko mra Asante Kotoko omo pa boya ye fene se baba ya mo pa na hontuma boy no officially we player Edima Asante Kotoko na we sia kan Edima Kimfeisa akwa ni bobo utwa ball kama pa wasan Edima Kotoko na enra eye Kotoko na enye easy na ya woda kese Edima Kotoko enti saa woda ntinom Kotoko anye training ene Kotoko be double training anopa ana fi ewia be no me nsan kono 9 no num so ho no on be sai I training 3 4 to 5 mo no on be training na bia so no etima koso kotoko also a friendly game also mo bom nyamboa Sunday omo a friendly game omo ne Future Stars ana ebo ewo eho sa game no eba so wia ni Wednesday ombe ko sunyan ene bofa kwa akobo enti ombo game Sunday Monday ombe training Tuesday ombe train up and ombe Friday as ombe travel from Beposo akopiem ewo sunyan na afei omune bofa kwa atimi ampo na bia so no atimi akoso we ye de no so eba Ghana ye player ye find say Jordan Ayew Oko Crystal Palace omo avoting the month of August one ana the best player in the club the Ghana Jordan Ayew no the striker yes one ana the best player in Crystal Palace Tasadu TV ni subscribe share for comment bla me say week way I exclusive stories transfer